Hello guys, so today we're actually going to be working with similar figures. To begin with, we're going to be looking with expressions. So if you look at your handout, you're going to see that you have the first page is going to have something like this. I'm going to go and do one problem from each this little section that I got here. So section 1, problem 1, that's what we're going to be working on. So section 1, problem 1 says that we have 10 over 4 is equal to x minus 10 over 5. Okay, that's the problem they gave us. And this is going to be pretty straightforward, pretty easy. I'm actually going to work over here. I'm going to highlight it for you guys. I'm going to work on the 10 over 4, which 10 over 4 should give me... actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to work on that side. But I'm going to move the 4 out of the way. I'm actually going to multiply... You know what? Never mind. Gonna go back. I'm actually gonna start with this guy over here. Gonna start with this guy right here. I'm trying to solve for x in this problem, so working with 5 would be the easiest thing to do. So I'm gonna have 10 over 4 times 5. And what you might be asking, why are you multiplying by 5? Well, the reason why I'm gonna multiply by 5 is I want to move the 5 from this side, and I want to put it to this side. So I'm going to do multiply by 5 on both sides. It's going to cancel those two 5s out. And over here I'm going to have 50 over 4 is equal to x minus 10. Now at this point, I can do something pretty easy just to make it easier on me. You see the fraction that we got, right? We have a fraction, so I'm actually going to try and move that fraction away. Why? Multiplying by 4. I'm actually going to multiply by 4. It's going to cancel those two out, and now I'm going to have 4 multiplied to the whole entire thing over here. I'm going to have 50 is equal to 4x minus 40. Now I'm going to do plus 40 on this side and plus 40 on this side because I'm trying to leave the x alone. Once I do that, those two are going to cancel out, and I'm going to be left with 90 is equal to 4x. At this point, I'm just going to divide by 4, and my answer is going to be 90 divided by 4, which also equals x is going to equal, I think it's 45 by 2, and I'm just going to leave it like that. And that's going to be my answer for number 1. It's not a lot of steps, but you do have to move and simplify here and there. But now we're actually going to go and move into 6. I'm going to try and do this video as fast as possible for you guys. Don't want to waste your time at all, because you don't want to be doing this all day. And I don't want to keep you here all day either. So the problem says that we have a shape like that, and then we have a shape over here which is bigger. Let me see if I can do it a little bigger. There we go. And this shape says this is 30 and this is unknown. So because we're working with similar figures, we know that they have a scale factor. So what I always tell my students, find two sides that are similar. So I have my 30 over here and my 24. Those two sides are similar. So I'm going to use those two to figure out my scale factor. Scale factor, I'm just going to write CSF, scale factor, is going to be big number over small number. In this case, it's going to be 30 over 24, which is going to give me my scale factor. Let me see if I can find a calculator real quick. I think I have my phone with me. All right. Gotta put 30 divided by 24. I'm gonna get, interesting. That one didn't seem to come out the way I wanted. Okay, there we go. That's what I wanted. So it's gonna give me 1.25 25. That's my scale factor. So from 24, I multiply that by 1.25 and it gave me 30. So now I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to get the 20 and I'm going to multiply by 1.25 and see what I get. So 1.25 times 20 is going to give me 25. Exactly. Nice. Gonna get 25, and so therefore my x is equal to 25. Pretty straightforward. This example should be super easy. Now we're gonna keep going down, and right here I'm gonna go to problem number 11. Finally, number 11. I'm gonna draw the shapes first. There we go. One shape. The second shape is drawn. I'm gonna put what I know. I know that one's 4, and I know the bottom one is 2x minus 17. And on the other side, I know is 24 and 42. First thing, I need to find two sides so I can find my scale factor. I know 24 and 4 are similar, so I'm gonna use those two. I'm gonna write the big number on top over 20 over 4, which is gonna equal to 6. So my CSF is going to equal 6. That's my scale factor, right? Now, this time I'm going from big to small, so I am actually going to divide. You know how on the last one we had to multiply because we were going from small to big? This one I'm going from small. Yeah, from small, right? To big. Because I'm going from small to big, I'm actually going to be dividing. So I'm going to grab the 42. And I'm going to divide it by 6. Which is going to give me 7. Now that I know this entire length right here is equal to 7. I'm actually going to equal my 2x minus 17. I'm going to equal it to 7. Because we're trying to solve for x in this one. So 7 is equal to 2x minus 17. Now we solve for x, so I have to do plus 17 on both sides. Plus 17. I'm going to get 24 equals to 2x. Got to divide both sides by 2. Oh no, my bad. Let me erase that real quick. It's 24 and I put 25. It's going to 24 over 2. Divide both sides by 2 and I'm get x is equal to 12. So that's like 3 problems of the 3 different sections that you're going to have to do. Hopefully the video helps. I'm trying to do it as fast as possible so I don't take your time, but that's going to be it. Have a great day.